está bien? Bienvenidos a mi casa, mi clase. I don't know. I'll stop. Okay. Anyways, hello everybody and welcome. Let's talk a little bit about your inbox. So, sitting here on the dashboard, one assumes you know how to log in, and if you've logged in, you should now be at this location. And from here, what you need to do is, let's say you have a burning question. Mr. Jones, I need to know something. Well, smart thing to do is text me. You can always find my phone number on my homepage, alright? But outside of that, or calling me, which actually might be better because it doesn't take 3 hours, of texting back and forth, you can always send me a message. Okay? Just in general, it's not too cool to be calling folks or texting folks after about 9:30. It's just impolite, all right? Because people are trying to get ready for bed, they got things to do. So your best bet after around 9:30 at the latest is usually just to send a message, all right? And there are places in your courses. For example, if I come over here to my AP Environmental course, all right, you'll see that there's this button called Discussions. Not the best place to send me a message because I don't really get notifications there. However, if you are at your dashboard and you want to send me a message, or if you're in your course, it doesn't matter. This gray bar on the side is always present, and because of that, you can come down here to the little message-looking thing with the paper and the thing. Well, it says Inbox. That's because that's your message center. So we're going to click on that. When we come over here, it will bring up lots of little things people have sent me and stuff. And anyways, if you would like to, you may compose a new message. When you click on that, you got to choose your course. All right. So I want to send it to someone from this course. All right. And then you click on to, and you have to type in the person's name that you are trying to send it to. So I don't know if it'll have my name on here or not. Oh, sure enough, there it is. Type in Ellis. There I am. Put in a subject so I know what's going on, and send me the message. This will go straight to. That's pretty consistent, actually. But there's a lot of what am I looking for? Oh, this is probably the best way to get a message to me. Like I said, it sends it to my email, and I'll make sure I get that in the morning when I get to school. Okay, rather than send me a text message super late at night that I can't respond to. Cool. Yeah, and maybe I can even respond to this later. It's just a nice way of doing it, not by phone, because late texting students is not cool, and so we're going to try and minimize that. All right? Anyways, I hope this all makes sense. When you're done, send. I'm going to send this to myself. All right, there's the subject line, and boom. All right, so it sends it out. So that's all you really got to do. I hope that it is helpful to you. And as always, let me know if there's anything I could do for you. Yeah.